guys, what's up? I hope that you all are doing great, and first of all, a very happy new year. I hope that all your dreams come true if you work hard towards it. Now, today we are going to make a planner for 2022 from this classmate notebook. The basic idea of making this planner is to make it minimalistic, purposeful, and something that everybody can make regardless they have interest in arts and craft, doodling and all of those things or not. Because somewhere I feel that the main idea of buying or making a planner is to strategize our time and make it more productive. I have a little idea that how I'm going to convert this into a planner. Now let's actually see that how we are going to do all of this. It is going to be exciting. Yes. Okay, so now here is our notebook. First of all, index, introduction and all. Then on the first page I have wrote what I learned from 2021, some of the things that I remembered at that time. Then we have welcome 2022, and after that I'm going to do the real planning thing from this page. But before that, let's make the cover. I started with these papers that I had, these colorful papers that I had. So what I did is that I placed the papers on each other and then took a ruler and then I drew a straight line and then cut it. So watch me doing that and enjoy. The paper was hard, so it was not sticking to the notebook. So what I did is that I used a ruler and kind of folded it. After that, I had this double-sided tape. Don't use glue. I think that tape would be much better. I divided the what do we say, that double-sided tape into small pieces so that they could stick to the notebook, and then place them between the notebook and the page. You can see what I'm doing. You can do the same thing on your cover. You can do different thing, do anything that you want to do on the cover, or maybe not do anything, because the main thing is to plan on the pages. Do something that express your creative side which is within you. Then I searched calligraphy January on Google and this came, so I decided to do this. I showed you an image now. And I am a person who suck at doing writing with cursive handwriting. So here is a tip for those who are like me. First draw with a pencil as I did, and then draw with a marker or the calligraphy pen you have. Here I am using a calligraphy pen that I bought from Amazon. And then I decided to make a calendar for January month beneath the where I have wrote January, and that's what I'm doing on that page. Yeah, so now watch me making that calendar. After doing all of this, I still felt that something is incomplete, so I took out my pencil and decided to draw some lights above January. Here you can see me doing that, and yeah, and after that I felt that, oh, now it's complete. Now, of course, for January, I had my plans in my mind. So what I did is that in between the place where in between January and the lights, I wrote a quote related to the idea that I had about January month, and that is something that I'm going to do on February, like whole 12 months. This is how the whole page looks. Now another page. This is the monthly planner page. So what I have done is that I have created a box. Oh, inside that box I have created many other boxes. Now all of those boxes are of different aspects of the month. For example, to-do list, my goals, what I learned from the month. Then it's about gratitude, what I'm grateful about, that I have maybe learned or I have did in this month. So there are many boxes, and in on which I'm going to write many things. I would suggest you to make that monthly planner page customized, which means for yourself. For example, if you could see, I have three boxes in the end of the page. Now the three boxes represent so my new year resolution, as I have told you in my previous video, is to make good habits and habit that would help me to grow much more. So what I have done is that one is habit. So each month is attached with a habit. For this month I have wake up earlier every day. Second, I have a habit that I need to quit. For this month I have sleeping late, and then for the third box, it's activity. That is something which is not like habit, but it is a part of the day. For this month, that is making time log of each day, so I could manage my time. That's why I suggested you to make it customized. You have different goals and plans, so I think it would help you. I'm going to show how it all looks together after completing all of this. But however, what I'm doing here is that I am assigning week 1, that is from 2nd of January to 8th of January 2022, and for that I'm making a weekly planner. So again, boxes. Tell me in the comments that who have used these Nataraj erasers. Okay, so for week 1, what I did is that I have created 5 different places, you can say, where I have. Okay, so let me introduce them. The first one is this week is about, where I have written how I want this week to be. Then I have a to-do list. What are to-dos for this week, of course. Then the other segment, the third segment, is content on YouTube. What I want to maybe videos I want to shoot, or maybe I have to upload videos. So that also. Then there are 2 different chotu segments, which are things that I learned in this week. And then second, what are my suggestions? Of course, I have done some mistakes, some good things in this week. You can see that I am using highlighter, on which I am going to write the date, and now I am making the daily goals, the daily to-do list, and here is the to-do list for day 1. And then I am going to write my to-do list daily. I'm making this planner on 2nd Jan, so this video is going to be late for planner, so I'm so sorry for that. But if you have not made a planner till now, I would advise you, and this is the easiest way that I can help you to make it. So yeah, best of luck. Now let's see all together. So the cover, and then on the back side of cover I did not did anything because phaltu ka kyun karna. Then turning the pages, I told you that the index page, and then what I learned from 2021, and after that, due to welcome 2022, due to doing all the doodling and stuff, the page was destroyed. तो मैंने सोचा कि उसके ऊपर white page लगा करके I would write affirmation. After that, the January page that I think you have seen. This is the to-do list. I mean, if the day goes right, then I take it, and if does not, then cut. The planner page, the monthly planner page, and then turn the page. After that, weekly planner and daily to-do list. and after that there is the next week which I'm going to write from now today, and now it finished. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Until then, see you, take care.